So what was done in the last class? So I think in the last class we solved problems on multiplexer, right? So any doubts, anyone? So I hope everyone understood. Okay, just I'm audible. Is it fine? I'm audible here. Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So in the last class, I think we discussed about your mux 8:1 and 4:1, how to realize using Boolean expression and how to get a logical diagram of that. So any doubts, anyone with that? Any doubts, anyone with that? So today we'll go with the next topic called as binary comparators. So board is visible. Is it fine till here? Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll deal with comparators. So for that the word binary has been added. So what is the meaning of binary comparator? So binary means what? What is the meaning of binary?
2 digits.
2 digit, either 0 or 1. Good. So if I say comparator, what is the meaning of the name comparator? Name itself tells the answer, comparator. So what are you doing here?
Comparing.
You are comparing your inputs. See, for example, if I take a comparator, so just write a simple example. So if this is your n-bit comparator, so n-bit comparator, you will be having your, see, if I say binary means you should have only two combinations. Agree? If I say binary, you should have only two combinations. One is A and one is B. Correct and wrong? Yes or no? So binary, so 0 or 1. So out of which you can have three different outputs. Out of which you can have three different outputs. What are those? I can take A less than B. See, I need to compare the values of A and compare values of B. So if you keep comparing A and B, what are the possible outputs you may get? That is one, A less than B, one combination, one side, and A equals to B, one more combination, and A greater than B, one more combination. So apart from these three, do you get any other combinations? Anyone? Is it fine what I told? Binary comparator. So binary, either 0 or 1. So using inputs A and B, I am going to generate three different outputs. See, if whatever the values of n, if we keep increasing n, do you think output remains same? Is it three outputs only? Yes or no? Yeah, everyone, is it audible what I'm telling? Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's try to take an example. See, in the syllabus what they are kept 1-bit comparator, 2-bit comparator and 4-bit comparator. Okay. So you have 4-bit comparator in your laboratory also. So it is like a dual purpose. So try to analyze 1-bit and 2-bit, and 4-bit I want you to do. How to do I will teach you. Okay. So let's take n is equals to 1. So if you take 1-bit comparator, so if I take example n is equals to 1, so it means it's a 1-bit comparator. So now tell me how many outputs or how many inputs you have. So we need to build a truth table now. So truth table inputs A, B. So this is an input, and outputs are how many? So you have three, right? So one is A greater than B, A equals to B, and A less than B. Yeah. So how many combinations you'll get if it is one input? I mean 1 bit. How many combinations? Yeah, I'm asking you people only. How many combinations you will get here if it is a 1 bit? How will you compare? If I ask you to design a 1-bit comparator, so I have given n is equals to 1. N is equals to 1 means what? What is the truth table? How many combinations you can get? See, I need to get 3 outputs, right? So what are the possible combinations if it is a 1-bit comparator? I can take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So these are the possible 1-bit changes what we can make. You can now tell me if 0, 0 is there, which is going to be high?
A equals B.
So A equals to B, I should mark it as 1. Good. If it is 0, 1 combination,
A is less than B.
A less than B. So A less than B, I'm going to mark it as 1. Good. Next. 1, 0.
A greater than B.
A greater than B. So this is 1. So again 1, 1.
A equal to B.
So it means remaining I should fill with zeros. Yeah, understood how to find a truth table, everyone? Am I clear? You got? So whenever they ask you to design 1-bit comparator, so 1 bit means n becomes 1. So combinations will be A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. It's 1 bit. So A is 1 bit, B is 1 bit. That is the meaning. Okay, if I say 2 bit, how many combinations you'll get now after understanding this?
8 combinations.
Good. So you're going to get 2-bit means 8 combinations. If I say 4-bit,
16 combinations.
16 combinations. Good. So whenever they ask you to design a 1-bit comparator, write a generalized diagram followed by truth table. Then what is the ultimate thing we want from any design of digital? We need to get a logical diagram. So to get logical diagram, what you want? To get a logical diagram, what you want?
Expression.
Expression. To get expression, what you want?
Truth table.
Truth table is done. So using truth table, you want to build me a K-map because you have 3 outputs, right? So one is less than, equal to, and greater than. So for these 3, try to put a K-map now and check out what is the expression. Yeah, if you take for A greater than B, so how many cells you will take now? How many cells I should write for K-map of this 1 bit? All are sleeping here. I'm asking you people only. All are sleeping?
No, sir.
So apart from Shobita, no one else is active in the class. All are sleeping. I'm getting answer from only one person from that time. What others are doing? Yeah, I'm asking you people only. What others are doing? Am I audible or not to others? Is it audible what I'm speaking?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want response, right? See, if you keep mum, what I should think? Whether what I'm telling you not audible or you have some network issue. So try to respond. Then it will be an interactive class. So any doubts anyone till here? So we are designing a 1-bit comparator. So I told you what is the thing you should write. 1 bit means A value will be only 1. Okay, B is only 1. That is called 1 bit. If I say 2 bit, I can make this as split. That I will show later. But first, what I want now for 1-bit comparator, I need to design a logical diagram. To get a logical diagram, we need to build a K-map using your truth table. So the question is, how many cells K-map I should write?
4.
4 cells. Good. So just make a K-map with the 4 cells. So one is A, one is B. So you have combination 0, 1, 0, 1. Yeah, now tell me where I should fill. For A greater than B, how many ones you have? You can look at here. For A greater than B, how many ones you have here?
1.
Only one,
One.
right? So this combination I should just fill there. So for which combination I should put 1 here? So A is 1 and B is B bar. So A is 1, B is B bar. Is it this junction?
Yes, sir.
So just need to put 1 here. Yeah. So what is the expression now? What is the expression? It's there on the truth table only. What I can write output
A
for
B
this
bar.
combination? It says A.
B bar.
Good. So A B bar. That is for your first one. Done. Next. Check out for next K map. Okay, let me write downwards so that I can write diagram there. A less than B. So same way K map. So where I should mark 1 now? A less than B. For which combination? 0, 1. So A bar is 0 here and B 1 is here. Is it this junction? Is it this?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
what is the expression you got? Y equals
A bar B.
A bar.
So this is the second one. And last one. A equals to B combination. So I think you have 2 number of ones there. You have 2 ones, right? You can see here and here. So both 0, 0. So if it is 0, 0, 1 is here. Similarly, if both 1, 1, 1 is here. So you'll get 2 ones here. So what is the expression for this? I can write as A bar B bar plus AB. Which gate? Which gate it is? XOR or XNOR?
XNOR.
XNOR. So I have to write A XNOR B whole bar. You should write whole bar. Should I write the things complement of your XOR gate is XNOR? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So if you don't want this, then how to write? I just need to represent this with a symbol. So this is your XNOR gate. Cut and draw.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what do you want? I want to build a logical diagram. So tell me how many gates you want, how many inputs you have. So one is A and one is B. Do you want complement for both?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you want A bar and B bar. So what I told, connect A as an input here. For this, connect a complement A bar. Similarly B bar. So A and B. So first combination, if I take for A greater than B, it says which gate? A into B bar. So I should connect which gate here? AND gate.
And
So this will give you the first output. Y equals A greater than B. Fine. Next, less than A bar B. So A bar is here. B is here. So for this again AND gate, you should give Y is equal to A less than B. What about last combination? Which gate you want?
XNOR.
XNOR. So connect A input, B input and connect to XNOR. See, if you write like this is XOR. If you want to complement it, this becomes your XNOR gate. I hope everyone understood how to do the designing of your 1-bit comparator now. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
now same way I want you to build for 2-bit. So before that, any doubts anyone? If you have, you can ask. So just make a note. If they ask you to design, see it's 6 to 7 marks question. Design 1-bit comparator, write a generalized diagram and just represent 1 here. Okay, 1 bit. Then truth table, 1-bit combination. You have 4 for the corresponding output. Then K map expression. From that expression, get a logic diagram. Is it fine till here? So now design same way for me 2-bit comparator. So here's the question. This is for 10 marks. Design 2-bit comparator using gates. Design 2-bit comparator. 2-bit comparator using gates. Shall I erase this here? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's check out how the generalized diagram look and how the truth table varies from the previous one. So now you to solve this. So same way 4-bit comparator is assignment for you. Okay. So if I say, listen here, if I say 1 bit, the combinations are A and B. If it is 1 bit. If I say 2 bit, see apart from binary you can't take anything else. So you should play with this two only, right? So what I can make this as 2 compartments. One as A0, one as A1. Similarly, B has 2 compartments, B1, B0. So is it called as 2-bit comparator now? Understood everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So from this, how many combinations you will get? So 0, 0, 0, 0. How many combinations you will get?
16.
16. So write the 16 combinations, okay? And I want the corresponding output here. Aaron, draw this. So 4-bit comparator, they won't ask you to get the truth table because you have a IC for 4-bit comparator. You just need to realize an IC. Okay. So that we'll discuss after this. So just try to write this. So truth table, inputs are now split to A0, A1, B0, B1. Similarly, outputs are 3 greater than, equal to, and less than. Yeah. Fill this. Fill this everyone. So 16 combinations. I want you to tell the answers for each outputs now. So fill the 16 combinations. I'll just write few. 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 1, then 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So like this till you write till 4 ones. Yeah. So now tell me which are the positions which is having the ones. So if both are 0, 0, I should write A equals to 1 as 1. Next. Anywhere you will get A equals to 1. A equals to B combination here, Bharatappa.
1, 1,
is
1,
for
1.
0. Then one more combination.
15.
That's all. In between you won't get anything. So only for 0 and 15 you'll get A equals to B. Just check out. Do you get any sequence in between also? See, A and B means what?
Yes, sir.
If you compare this and this, combination of this and this should be equal somewhere. Just check out. Where it is?
0 and 0.
0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1. So just compare this and this again equals to 1. You will get 1. Like this, any other combination?
1, 0, 1, 0.
0,
Yeah?
1, 0.
1, 0.
1, 0.
Good. So 1, 0, 1, 0. One more combination will get 1. Then that's all. So you'll get 4 ones in a truth table for A equals to 1. Everyone agree? Yes or no? Is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So similarly, sorry, remaining you can fill with zeros. Okay. So you just concentrate on the number of ones. So that is at this position 1, this, and this. So that is for 0 and 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1 combination, lat 1, 1. Okay. Similarly, A greater than B.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
I didn't get how. Please repeat, sir. How to
Which
compare?
one? How to?
Compare.
Okay. You have written the complete truth table for 16 combination here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in that, can you see the combination of 0, 0 and 0, 0? That is first one, right? So this is A, this is B. So A and B both are same. If I take 0, 0, 0, 0, A and B both are same, yes or no?
So your video is glitched, sir.
Video is not visible. Just check out others. Is it visible or not? Video? Bold is visible here?
Visible, sir.
Yes, but it's
Yeah,
high.
Sunil, is it visible? Just check out now.
It's visible, sir. It's like in a glitch type.
Okay, I will just write once more. So 2-bit comparator, we told 16 combinations you will get. So what are those 16 combinations? So A1, A0. This is 1. This is like A. Okay. So similarly, B1, B0. This is your B. So for this, you're going to get 3 outputs greater than B, equals to B, less than B. Is it visible now, Sarini?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I told, I asked you to fill the table. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0. So write all the combinations. So this you can do now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So write like this till 16 combinations. Say simple 8 zeros, 8 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones. This is a shortcut for you to remember. I hope you remember this. 8 zeros, 8 ones, 4 zeros, 4 ones, again 4 zeros, 4 ones, 2 0 2 1, 2 0 2 1, last 0 1 0 1 0 1 combination. Is it how it looks?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So from that combination, what I want, I need to compare this complete like A with complete B. So this is what a comparison you should do. Sarina, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, check out the first sequence 0 0 and 0 0. So this A and this B, both A and B are is it matching?
Yes, sir.
So this is a part of which output now?
A equal to B.
Equals. So that's why I wrote A equals to 1 as 1. So go with the next combination. A is 0, B is 0, 1. So which combination now? Greater than or lesser than?
Less.
Less. So I should write A less than 1 as 1. Understood, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, 0, 0, 1, 0. Again, which combination?
Less.
Less only. So I'll write 1 here. Artha aita ivaga?
Yes, sir.
So like this, you complete the table I said. So again 0, 1, 1 combination, again here also 1. Now you can look at here 0, 1, 0, 0. I can write greater than 1 as 1. So I'll write remaining as 0. Say I want the concentration only on ones. So I'll just put 0, 0 on others. So like this, if we fill the table, you tell me number of ones for greater than, equal to, and less than is what I asked. Is it fine till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me mark the things here so that we can plot a K-map easily. So finish off this table, everyone. So I will just write A equals to B combinations here. So as you told, for 0 you will get 1. Then which combination you told? Combinations 0 1 0 1, correct? So this is 0, right? 0 1 0 1 is also 1. Then again 1 0 1 0 is also 1. Then 1 1 1 1. So is it what the 4 combinations you got? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So same way you tell me for A greater than B. I wrote 1 here. So that is for 0 1 0 0 combination. A is 1. Amele. After that, next combination you'll draw
1101.
1 1 in a munche 1 0 baralva. You won't get this combination.
100.
This you will get, right? 1 0.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Amele. Next
double 1 double
combination.
0.
1.
Double 1 double 0. 1 1 double 1 double 0.
Double 1 double 0 also equals to 1. Good. Next.
Double 1 0 1.
Double 1 0 1. 1. Anything else left out? That's all. Huh?
Triple 1 0.
Good. So 111 0 is also equals to 1. Amal.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ sir.
That's all. Huh? So we'll get 5 combinations for A greater than B. Any other combination did be left out here? 1 1 0 0 done. So how about 1 0?
One,
Yeah, one more combination, right? 1 0 0 1 also.
1 double 0 1.
1 0 0 1 is also equals
0
to 1.
1.
Say Napa.
Yes sir.
So totally you'll get 6 combinations for A greater than B. Yeah. What about A less than B now? A less than B.
0
I think I wrote for 0001 is 1. Then 0 0 1 0 is also 1. 0 0 1 1 is also 1. Yeah. After this 3. Next combination.
0 double 1 0.
0 1 1 0. Good. Amala.
0 triple 1.
0 1 1. Good. Amala.
1 0 double 1.
1 0 1 1. Good. Then
That's it.
that's
sir.
it. So again you get 6
Sir.
combination. 3 plus 3. Good. So 6 combinations for A less than B, A greater than B, and A equals to B. So any doubts? Anyone to write this output in the truth table? Am I clear to everyone? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now ultimate goal is to get the logical diagram. So to get the logical diagram, we want expression. So to get expression, what we should write now?
K map.
Good. So K map. So how many cells?
16 sir.
16 cells. Good. So you should write 3 different outputs now. So let me write for 1. So you wanted to write for remaining. So if you write a combination for output Y, A greater than B combination. So make a 16 cell. See, it's a 10 marks question. Try to write the step by step. Truth table carries 3 to 4 marks. K map each carries 2 to 2 marks. And diagram carries 3 to 4 marks. Totally 10 marks. So marks put up is very, very important. Don't try to write the answer directly. So write and show the steps clearly. So you'll be having combination. One is A1 A0, B1 B0. Sorry now. These are the combinations you have. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Similarly here also. Yeah. Now tell me where I should fill once. I have taken for A greater than B this combination. Look at here. 0 1 0 0. So 0 1 is here. 0 0 is here. Can I write 1 here? Hey, getting here what I'm writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similarly, see that's why I marked only the things which are having 1 so that I can write the K map easily. So then 1 0 0 0. Where is 1 0? That is here. 0 0 is here only. So can I mark 1 here also?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So next 1 0 0 1. 1 0 is here. 0 1 is here. So in this column, can I make it as 1? Yeah, everyone getting?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Similarly, 1 1 0 0. 1 1 0 is here. Then 1 1 0 1 is here. Then 1 1 1 0. 1 1 1 0. So is it how it looks? Now tell me how to group it. So this is your task now, K map. How to group it? How many quads? How many pairs you will get?
1 quad, 2.
Only 1 quad. So this is a quad. Second row.
Yes sir.
Okay, how many pairs?
2.
2 pair.
So I can take this combination as 1 pair and this combination as 1 pair. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what is the expression from this quad? What are the common terms here? Is it A1? And here it is B1 bar. Am I correct? Common term 1 1, it means A1, and here it is B1 bar. So is it A1 B1 bar for the quad? Yeah, I'm
Yes,
asking
sir.
you only. Fine. So what about this pair? This and this. So here I can write A1, A0 as it is. And from these two combination, what is common?
B.
What is common? Is it B0 bar? Is it like this? Is it A1, A0, B0 bar?
Yes, sir.
Good. So last, this combination. From these two, I can write B1 bar, B0 bar as it is, and common from this is A0. So can I write the expression for A y equals to A greater than B as A1 B1 dash plus A1 A0 B0 bar plus B1 dash B0 bar A0. So anywhere you can take common, or is it fine? This much is enough? Is it simplified further, or that much is enough? Anywhere can I take common and you can simplify here? Is it possible? I'm asking you people only. Yeah? That is all the expression. Can you take any common terms and you can realize further? If you take A0, B0 bar common, there is no reduction. It will be as it is. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So is it done? So it is done with your expression for greater than B. So same way plot me for A less than and equal to B and tell me what is the expressions you'll get. So you want everyone to solve this? Finish it off. So I hope this is done. So same way you plot for one more. K-map. And tell me what is the expression you are going to get. Values are written here. So values are written. I want you to make the quad or pair whatever things you are going to get. So for next y equal to A less than B. So 16 cell. So again same combinations A1 A0 B1 B0. So write the K map once more and try to realize the expression. Yeah, where I should fill 1 now? A less than B. So 0 0 0 1. 0 0 is here. 0 1 is here. Shall I write 1 here? Next again 0 0 followed by 1 0. So again 1 is here. Then 0 0 1 1 here. Then 0 1 0 1 is here. 1 0 is here. Then 0 1 1 1 here. Then 1 0 1 0 followed by 1 1. Is it how it looks? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how many things you should group it now? How many quads you'll get?
One.
One quad, two pair.
Can I mark
Two
this
pair.
as one quad? Amala. So is it this and this one pair and this
Yes,
one
sir.
pair? Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So what are the expressions? Just write here. So I will get from this quad, common term is A1 bar. Then followed by common term from this two is B1. Saina, is it correct? B1 followed by A1 bar. Then from this two,
Yes, sir.
common term is A0 bar followed by your B1 B0
B1, B0.
plus A1 bar, A0 bar, and common from this two is B0.
B0.
Is it correct? What I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Anything further possibility is there to reduce? Just check out. That's it, no? No possibilities to reduce? Is it done here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the last one now. So similarly build for A equals to, I'll just write here, just check out, is it visible? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mark 16 cells again. So is it visible here? So this is for your last combination, Y equals A equals to B combination. Okay. So where I should fill 1, tell me, 0, 0.
Diagonally, sir.
Yeah. So you have double 0, 0. So should I write 1 here? So is it 1 here? Next 0, 1, 0, 1. So 0, 1, 0, 1 is
0, 1, 0, 1.
here. Kartapa. Then again 1, 0, 1, 0 is here. Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now any quad, any octa, any pair is possible.
No, sir.
So everything is single, right? So single, 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 single. So expression now for this expression. So A1, A0, B0, B1. So I can write this as A1 bar, A0 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar. Plus next A1 bar, A0, B1 bar, B0. Surendra, next combination A1, A0 plus, sorry, A1, A0, B1, B0, and last combination is A1, A0 bar, B1, B0 bar. Yeah. So now tell me what is a simplified expression for this? How it looks? Just check out and tell me clearly. Any gates will be further possible to reduce here anywhere? Any gates are possible to reduce further? Check out. Any XOR XOR combination will come for this? Yeah, I'm asking you people only. Can I realize, reduce further expression, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how it is it like your XOR gate and XOR gate combination?
Yes, sir.
So you just look at here, is it like A bar, B bar plus AB? Correct and wrong? A bar, B bar plus AB, these two combination. So is it like XOR gate? Yes or no? Can I? How to write now? How to write? So this complete term is A, this complete term is B. So can I write this as A X NOR B? Should I write A naught B naught for this? Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Only this much you will write, huh? Is this much is sufficient? I represented only A naught B naught. What about A1 B1? That is also there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So how it looks? Is it like this? A1. Is it like this now? Yeah, I'm asking you people only, is it correct? You just tell me what is the simplified expression from that above equation is a question. After this, next further, that's all. Huh? Yeah, everyone simplify that and tell me what is the final Boolean expression. Use your canonical form method. Tell me the answer. Take common terms and get me final answer. Simplify it. So what you will take common? I want everyone to simplify this expression and tell me what is a final answer for y equals to b combination. Make it fast. Take whatever terms common you want and check out what is the final answer you'll get. Yeah, others, is it done? What is the final answer you got here? You're doing or not? Everyone, are you solving? I asked you to simplify that expression. I'll write the expression here. I want to simplify. Tell me what is the answer. So tell me what is final answer for this y equals to a1 bar, a0 bar, b1 bar, b0 bar plus a1 bar, a0, b1 bar, b0 followed by a1, a0, b1, b0 plus a1, a0 bar, b1, b0 bar. Yeah. You want to take common and tell me what is the final answer. How to solve here? How to take common terms? That also don't know. See, I written an answer. I want you to tell, is it right or wrong? Am I audible or not to everyone? Is it audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now tell me how to do this. What are things I can take common from first two? From first two term, what I can take common here?
A1.
Only
A1 bar, A1 bar, B1 bar.
B1 bar. I can take A1 bar, B1 bar common. So what is left out? So it's B0 bar, A0 bar plus A0, B0. Is it what it looks? Is it correct what I wrote? Everyone, is it correct?
Yes.
So from first two over, what is next to? What you can take common? What is a common term? Is it A1, B1?
A1.
You will take A1, B1 common. So what is left out here? Check out. So it's A0, B1 plus A0 bar, B0 bar. Yeah. What is next? What you can do? Which gate will come? Can I write this, the term what I wrote there? Can I write it as A0 X NOR B0 into A1 X NOR B0 B1? Can I write this in this way? I already wrote the answer, right? Just check out, is it possible? Can I write like this?
Sir, whole bar.
Whole bar. Is it correct? Will you get whole bar? Come on, yaar. Boolean expression simplification. Why you are struggling so much? I have written the answer also. I just wanted to verify. So you want whole bar or is it as it is? Is it done? What is the answer here? What I wrote? Is it matching?
Sir, A0.
Whole bar should be there. Is it required?
it's-
Yeah.
A0 XOR B0 bar, A1 XOR B1 bar.
Okay. Repeat here. A0
XOR
XOR.
B0
Okay.
bar.
You want this like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
A1 XOR B1 bar.
A1 XOR B1 bar. Is it like this?
It's same, no, sir. Like,
Is it like this only?
yes, sir.
Yes or no? Correct,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
take complement of X are nothing but X are only. That is what I wrote at the beginning itself. I just asked you to verify. For that you are struggling so much. So what your friend told correct. So this is in terms of X NOR gate. But again you want complement, right? So if you want to overcome means directly I can build this too using your X NOR gate. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So just realize this, what are the left out expressions using a logic gate. So write all the things in logic diagram. So you can conclude this XNOR gate operation with this for A equals to B. So this combination nothing but this only, both are same. So write a logic diagram, finish it off. So that completes your designing of your comparator. So just one last part. IC diagram is there, we'll write and we'll stop it. So I want everyone to realize the logic diagram. So complement is required for all. Do you have a complement for all? So you have A0 bar, A1 bar, B0 bar, B1 bar. So you may need to have a NOT gate for all combinations and do the connections that will complete your 2-bit comparator. Make it fast. We'll just write one IC diagram for 4-bit and we'll stop here. So 4-bit comparator, no need to do all this. So we have a IC called 7485. So IC 7485 replicas your 4-bit comparator. Just IC diagram, you just have an awareness that will complete your comparator. Is it done? Diagram bardrappa. So you hope everyone know how to write diagram, right? Logical diagram. See, if you won't write logical diagram, you won't get the marks. I told you if it is a 10 marks question, so split up is there. Truth table 2 to 3 marks. K-map you will get individually 2 to 2 marks, 6 marks. And logic diagram 2 to 3 marks. Total 10 marks will get. If any one step is missed, so marks will be reduced. Is it okay? Done? Finished here, everyone? So IC 7485, the last part, comparator. So just you need to have a pin diagram, that's it, and a symbol representation. So this you are going to use in laboratory. So whenever they ask you to design a 4-bit comparator, you need to make use of 7485 IC. Yeah, before that, anyone doubts, anyone till there? Is it fine till there? Finished here? Everyone done? Shall we proceed? Last part. No answer only. Am I audible or not for you people?
Audible, sir.
Is it done till here? Shall we move to last part? Bartra logic diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those who are not done, just make it fast. Is it done here? Should we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So down last topic, that is your IC 7485. Nothing but your 4-bit comparator. If they ask you to explain a 4-bit comparator, so just write the IC diagram followed by the logical diagram of IC. Okay. So just make a note. So if I say 4-bit, it means A0, A1, A2, A3. Similarly, B0, B1, B2, B3. Okay. So this is what your inputs first. Just make a note. And again, same 3 outputs will be there. Whatever changes you're going to do, output remains constant. There is no variation in the comparator output. Only input will be keep varying. Okay. Just make a note of this. So it is a 16-pin IC. So 16-pin IC. So numbers are in order. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16. So 16-pin IC. So pin number 8 is a ground. Pin number 16 is supply, VCC. Just make an outline, everyone. So this is your pin diagram for IC 7485. It's a 4-bit comparator. Same way, this is a logical diagram. Okay. So in this, you will be having 3 cascading inputs also. So 3 cascading inputs means I have same thing only, but there will be cascading. So what is the meaning of cascading? What is the meaning of the word cascade? Cascade means what?
Output is given to input.
Nothing but series. Cascading means series connection. Okay. So there will be 3 cascading of your inputs. See, this A greater than B, this is output, right? But I should cascade my input for which combination also in IC, because which one will get on. If it is a normal thing, we can verify. But if it is IC, you should have a connection, right? So that is what cascading does. So according to combination, for which output you should do, that is being connected in build, corresponding LED will glow whenever the output comes. Otherwise, it won't come to know. Okay. So this 3 plays a major role called as cascading inputs. So just mark it. So B0, A0, B1, A1, B2, A2, and B3 is here. So A3 will just one set. These 2 are correct. Yeah, just change here. Just one set here. Pin number 8 is B0, 10 A0, B1, B0 correct. Pin number 13 is A2. Here it is B2. And pin number 15 is A3. Just make a note. So this is the connections for your IC. Yeah. So just make a note. We'll stop here. So then you'll be having B2 here and B3 is at pin number 1. B3 is at pin number 1.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you repeat the connection, sir? After pin 9.
Okay.
It is somewhat blurred, sir.
B0, A0, next B1, A1. So 13 says A2 and 14 is B2. Okay, na? And pin number 15 is A3. A3. So B3 is at pin number 1. Is it done this much? B0, A0, B1, A1, then it is reverse. A2, B2, A3, B3. Okay, Napa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in 2, 3, 4, you'll be having your cascading inputs, that is greater than, equal to, and less than. So pin number 2, 3, 4 are called as cascading inputs. Pin number 2, 3, 4 are cascading, and pin number 5, 6, 7 are the output. So that is as it is, A greater than B, A equal to B, and A less than B. So this is what the pin diagram for your 7485. Am I clear? Is it visible here, everyone? Is it fine?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll stop here. So that completes your comparator. So we have a small topic, that is your carry lookahead header, that will deal in the next class, and we'll wind this model number 2. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. We'll take attendance by the time. Any doubts, anyone? If you have, you can ask here. USN 1 is there.
Yes, sir.
2. 2 is not there. 3.
Present, sir.
4. 4 is not there. 5. 6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9. 9 is not there. Okay, 10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16. 17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
20.
Present, sir.
21. 22. 23. 24.
Present, sir.
5.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
6. Sumati is not there. 27. 28.
22 present, sir.
Yeah, given Soundarya.
Yes, sir.
28. 29.
Present.
Present, sir.
30. 31.
Present, sir.
32.
Yes, sir.
33.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5. 35 is not there. 36.
Present, sir.
7. 9.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
40.
Present, sir.
41.
Present, sir.
42.
Present, sir.
43.
Present, sir.
Telecom 30, 17 series.
Present, sir.
Pratvik. Telecom 1. Patil is not there. 2.
Present, sir.
3. 4 and 5.
Present, sir.
sir.
Okay. So enter USN number and you can leave. See you next class.